Hello everyone, I Dr. Taruna Sudhar, a psychologist, a counselor and a therapist. As we all know that today is a very critical situation where not only India but the whole world is suffering from this dreadful epidemic situation. As a counselor, we treat the patients as per the problem or the disease the patient is suffering with. We realize the patient with the whole situation on the ground reality basis. But when we talk about this COVID-19 disease that is commonly called as an corona, as you all are aware about this disease, its symptoms, but now the question arises is what is the treatment of this disease? How we will save ourselves from disease and how we will protect from this disease. Now, when we talk about the treatment of this disease, as we all know that no proper vaccine is available for this disease. Just like in any physical disease, there is a certain medicine for its treatment. But as we know that there is no proper vaccine for this COVID-19 disease, but as a psychologist, I am going to tell you about the two techniques that will be prove helpful, which will definitely protect you from this disease. Number one technique is self-control. Number two technique is self-discipline. Now the question arises is, what do you mean by the self-control? Self-control, if you have the self-control, then definitely it will result into the self-control on your thoughts and control on your actions. But self-control arises from the proper knowledge and the proper awareness about this disease. You should know that how much the dreadful and disastrous this disease is. So, as you know about its symptoms, that is, its initial symptoms, you might see the cough, cold, sneeze, body ache, pain. But you should be aware that in some of the patients, even these symptoms, you will not see any symptoms from among these symptoms. Symptoms are not being seen from many of the patients. So, in order to have the control on the self-control techniques, first of all, you have to build up a new habits. That is the formation of the new habits. Always realize that it is not a short-term procedure, treatment procedure. It's a long-term procedure. If you have to build a certain habit for a long-term goal, then definitely you will achieve your goal. You will fight against from this disease. For example, habit of drinking warm water. For example, habit of drinking, habit of wearing the mask. Girls can wear the mask. Designer wear mask even. Habit of washing hands whenever you go outside your home and whenever you buy a new product. Habit of staying at home only, and habit of living in a confined area. That is if you are living in a big family, you should have an habit of living in your room only. Habit of meditation. So if you mentally prepare to build a new habits, definitely we will achieve and we will succeed in this long term procedure to fight against this COVID-19 disease. Now I'm going to tell you about that second technique, that is the self-discipline technique. Now what do you mean by this self-discipline technique? Discipline means if you follow the discipline, if you are punctual to be a discipline, then definitely you succeed in any sphere of the life. In the very same way, in order to fight against this disease, you have to be disciplined. Discipline means not breaking the laws. The laws made and laid by the government, you have to follow those laws. In order to be self-disciplined, again you have to follow the certain rules and the norms. For example, again you have to form the new habits. Habit of getting early in the morning, habit of having the good and the healthy breakfast, habit of having the good diet in the lunch time. Your diet should be a proper, you should have the good proper calcium, protein and minerals. And habit of sparing the time and giving the time to your hobbies. You can spend much of the time in your hobbies, in your interests. Like for example, reading the books of your interest. Especially, it's a very good time for the meditation. In the evening, you can just meditate and spend the time with your family. And again, if you like in the lunch or the dinner time, you should have the dinner at the right time. early to bed, early to right. If you follow the normal habit procedure, you should be in a self-disciplined manner. So you have to form the new habit to remain in the self-disciplined. This is a very powerful technique in order to fight against this disease. I want to say that if we consciously and mentally prepared to follow these two techniques, that is self-control and self-discipline, then definitely we all together will succeed in order to fight against this COVID-19 disease. So all the best to all of you. Stay at home, be safe and protected, and be happy. And in my next upcoming video, I will tell you about what will be the possible mental diseases or the mental problems with the present world is suffering from. For example, anxiety, phobia, depressions. I will talk about these topics, and definitely I will try my best in order to overcome from these mental problems and mental diseases. So all the best. Thank you.